So today I have this EcoTurf electric lawnmower. EcoTurf. I believe this was sold by Menards. I'm not totally sure. But we'll just take a look around this thing. And one of the cool things, it has this adjuster for the wheels there. Has a bagger. And I'll show you how that adjuster works. So there, you can adjust the wheels. All four of them. Up, down. So the way this works is, got the button and the handle. So first you push the button and then the handle. Pretty much it. Mows, catches the grass clippings there. Nice little electric mower if you need one. So yeah, it's really lightweight too. So cool little electric mower. Thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching. Also picked up this Silent Scott's little reel mower, old reel mower. Not totally sure what model. It should have been a model plate right there, but it's gone now. So I'm not exactly sure the model on this guy, but cool, yeah. So in case the electricity goes out, still got a backup.